I'm watching the Miami Oklahoma game, and wow, 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 what a big upset! Miami has defeated the Oklahoma Sooners. The Sooners have, I think, come on, like 3 losses or something. They have like 3 losses. And you know what? It's crazy. It's crazy. It is ridiculous. Wow. Big upset. This is an upset alert. Miami wins. Miami wins. Miami has defeated the Oklahoma Sooners. They have defeated the Sooners 21-20. Oklahoma was number 8. And the Miami Hurricanes were 17. What a big upset. That is the final score. Oklahoma loses. Away. Again. They suck maybe. They haven't played great football. What do you... Seriously. Wow. Oh, wow. That is sad. The Sooners have lost again. They have lost. Miami has defeated the Sooners. And yeah, so upset alert. And yeah. Yeah. Bye. Come on. Come on. Now it's bye.